Meet Tim Moore. In 2009, Tim found himself navigating through the tumultuous economic downturn. With a mortgage balance of nearly $100,000 and uncertain financial times ahead, Tim was facing what may seem to be a challenging journey. But Tim didn't let the economic uncertainty deter him. Instead, he turned to a revolutionary financial strategy that would change his life forever.
When I started with Truth and Equity around September 2009, the economy was falling apart. But I knew I had to take control of my finances and secure a better future for my family.
Tim's journey began with a first mortgage balance of over $98,000 and an interest rate of 4.875%. Despite the economic challenges, Tim remained focused on his goals. Over the next 15 years, Tim made several major purchases, totaling over $160,000, using the CLB Special Lending Program. However, amidst the hustle and bustle of life, some expenditures slipped through the cracks.
It's easy to lose track of where the money goes, especially when you're juggling family responsibilities and everyday expenses. But I knew I had to stay committed to my financial plan.
Despite the challenges, Tim remained steadfast. By March 2024, his special CLB account balance stood at $79,000 with an interest rate of 9%. Through diligent financial management and the implementation of Truth in Equity and credit line banking strategies, Tim successfully repaid $180,078 of debt. Remarkably, he achieved all this with just $1,000 of discretionary income per month.
Banking like a banker has transformed my life in ways I never thought possible. By leveraging the power of Truth in Equity's CLB program and embracing financial discipline, I've secured a brighter future for my family.
Tim Moore's story is a testament to the potential of strategic financial planning. With determination and the right tools, anyone can achieve financial freedom and build wealth for generations to come. Imagine this. It's March 2024, and Tim Moore receives his CLB performance review. Let's take a closer look at the numbers. Tim's CLB account balance stands at $79,000 with an interest rate of 9%. But that's just the beginning of the story. Over the years, Tim accumulated debt and made purchases totaling $259,078 using his CLB account. However, he didn't let the numbers overwhelm him. Through disciplined financial management, Tim successfully repaid $108,078 of debt. That's an average of $12,005 per year, or approximately $1,000 per month. What's truly remarkable is that Tim achieved all of this with just $1,000 a month of positive cash flow. But here's where it gets even more exciting. By the time the CLB account balance is paid off, Tim's net worth will exceed $1 million. Thanks to Truth in Equity and credit line banking, Tim transformed himself into a millionaire. And the best part? It was all about changing the flow of money. Tim Moore's story is proof that when you bank like a banker, incredible things happen.
This is what's possible when you take control of your finances and embrace the power of strategic planning. The power of Truth in Equity's CLB program is truly amazing. Make sure you visit truthinequity.com and run your own numbers.